I basically wanted to thank you for this very nice course. I have been traveling for the last 3 weeks and haven't been able to participate, especially not in the seminars because of many reasons. But I wanted to share with you some things that I've learned. The first thing is that I haven't really used my glasses for all this course. I have my pinholes and I love them. And I didn't even bring my other glasses with me, so I was very happy with them. I realize now that in the mornings when I take my phone, I read my WhatsApp messages and SMS without glasses, which I didn't do before. In the evening, it's a bit harder, probably because I'm tired, but it's really, I can manage without glasses very well.
Mm-hmm.
And then finally, I'm very happy for being diagnosed with astigmatismus years ago, because if I hadn't had that, I would have had a laser operation.
Mm-hmm.
But as they told me, they couldn't do it. And the only thing they wanted to do was putting in new lenses. And I thought that was horrible. I decided to find some other way, and here I am. So I'm very, very grateful. And I'm looking forward to continuing with the seminars with the next course.
Mm-hmm.
This is a fantastic journey, and I, like many of us, I don't need glasses. Thank you.